Okay, kain muna tayo guys.
It's over.
Yan o.
Nothing left.
Wala tayong
It's over.
plato. Kaya dito na lang
I'm sorry,
tayo.
You little brat.
Sana.
Do you realize the huge mistake you made? The trouble you caused?
And
This
meron
is the
naman
price
siyang
of being
lagayan, yung rice. Diyan na lang yung plato namin. Tapos yung baon namin. May Tupperware. Ayan o.
I've let our family down.
Tupperware. Diba? Wow. Okay.
You still dare to call me? Today.
Dito tayo sa Tuguegarao.
Yu-chan, I know I was wrong.
Ayan o.
Yu-chan, you hurt us.
Papanan tayo,
Happy
Weasley?
later.
Papanan tayo, Weasley? Ha?
It seems this billion-dollar
Papanan
project
tayo?
will reveal the true faces of many
Ha?
companies. Let's take this chance to make a
Ay,
big
pandai
change
ka no,
in the
Jai.
world.
Jollibee.
I'll discuss matters at the hospital.
Jollibee ka no? Drive-thru yung Jollibee.
How long do I have to wait?
Jollibee. Jollibee.
Sometimes I'm trouble.
Weasley, papanan tayo ha? Weasley? Wow, Jollibee oh. Di Jenny, Jollibee. Wow, Jollibee oh. Jenny, Weasley. Di Jenny oh. Yan. Kita? Wah. DJ Jollibee. Oh. Drive-thru tayo lang tanuan, nagtutudo, nalamis. Oh, Weasley.
The doctor had to step
And
out.
then?
He's not back yet.
You
What?
should go home for now.
Okay, Mr. Phone.
Yeah, kita ni Jollibee Jenny. Jenny. Yeah. Je bebe. Ay dapat dyan. Di Jenny. Ah.
Doctor, be gentle. You, come here.
Oh.
You, come here. What's up?
Dati din, tag-order tayo na,
Phone
wait lang.
here.
Yung available.
You're competing with him for the doctor?
Pineapple juice na lang.
Ouch.
Oo, pineapple juice na lang.
I'll give you one last chance to treat him now.
Okay na?
Then you'll be safe. Let go of me. I'm the doctor here. How dare you treat me like this?
Okay. Weasley.
I'm done
Ayan
with
oh.
this patient.
Weasley,
If
Weasley.
you're so capable,
Ayan
pick
oh.
him up yourself.
Why are you boasting in front of me? Phone Jim.
Reportan me.
All right, my girlfriend just fell, scraped her knee. Go to the surgical room to check on her. You don't need to worry about this.
All right, sir. I'll go right now. I'm telling everyone at the clinic that none of the doctors are allowed to stick to
Okay
the
na.
wound.
Weasley.
The price for crossing
Yeah.
the physician.
Ito.
You regret this.
82 pesos. Ata 82 pesos mo ka lang. One month ma'am.
The
Data
chief
lang.
of Chongha Clinic is on his way
Magkano
to
lahat?
surgery room 308 right now.
1,082
Trying to save your little girlfriend. You'd be better off.
Bakit naging
listening to her.
1,082?
Begging you? Are you even worthy? Your girlfriend
Tapos?
just twisted her ankle and scraped her skin, and you still compete with me for a doctor? You're acting inhumanly. Beware of karma.
Karma? I've lived this long and
Okay lang,
never seen
matamon.
karma.
Kasi ngayon adarize na pakin ko.
What's the worth of a low life? And you, phone you, Jim. You're just a
Wesley,
lousy-
apa niya nataging ma'am?
Don't forget when you quit
Kuya.
last time. You embarrassed me at the company.
Thank you.
I won't forget that. Once things are settled with my girlfriend, I'll come back for you right away.
Don Gia, as an old classmate, let me warn you, if you keep
Sa Bali
being
DJ
careful,
ngayon eh. Wow, nasa claim
My
tayo.
dad can't protect me.
Claim.
Once my family
Wala ka,
secures
Wesley.
the project,
Wesley,
I'll become the
ano
richest
Jollibee?
man in Baguio.
Ano Jollibee?
I'll buy a dog leash for you
Wala,
and walk
kitaan.
you like a poor mutt. Give you a taste of the real
Ayan na.
world.
Ay, DJ.
Besides,
Wow.
what's the point of treating
Hello
such a
Kuya,
man?
good.
Let her die.
Good morning, good
Since you don't
good,
cherish it, but go further instead,
good
I
afternoon.
have no choice but to take
Narinig
back
mo.
everything you have now.
Oh, Jollibee, dati si Jollibee
Hey,
no.
kick Bon Changing and Bon Gia from Bon Hing Group out of the door.
Oh.
Yeah, replace the executive director
Jollibee.
with Lou Shero. Kicking us out of the board?
You're quite the actor. I almost believe
Hey,
you.
kita mag-ingat. Lasit lang.
Phone Jim. Posting doesn't work. Real strength is the key.
Ah, Wesley, Wesley. Wesley,
I'm gonna bring my girlfriend over now.
Wesley.
Open
Wow,
the
Jollibee.
and receive.
Video mo yun dyan. Video.
Connect the two phones
Okay,
to
ma'am,
the
cut
same
mo.
hotspot. Super
Cut,
easy,
cut.
right? And in just seconds, your files will be transferred at incredible
Oh,
speeds of
Wesley.
30 megabytes per second. Zender handles all your
diretso lang,
files,
ah.
apps, photos, videos, music,
Well,
documents, and
Jollibee.
even large files. Best of all, it's super fast and doesn't use your data.
Hello.
Want to transfer files between your phone and your computer? Choose Connect to PC on your phone, and then scan the QR code on your computer. It's just as simple. Want to move your songs from your computer to phone? Done. Now you can transfer pictures, music, videos, and documents between your phone and computer. Want to transfer your photo album from your phone to your computer? Easy. And you can even manage your files on your computer with big screen. Need to delete any unwanted files? Simply select the files you want to delete and confirm on your phone. Do it again. Select the file, delete it on computer, and it's gone. Super cool. Download Zender today and unlock even more awesome features.
Slay.
Whistling ano?
Slay. Kita ni Kuya na eh. Ba?
Traveling the world, don't
Bisa
know how to
mo
get
tali
around
din,
or
ah.
how to do it on a budget? 1-2Go will get you to your destination at the touch of a button. on your
Jollibee,
smartphone.
bye-bye.
Offering airport transfers, booking bus tickets to your next
Jollibee.
important destination, finding you the best of old school train journeys with scenic views and sights. We will also help you grab a regional flight, or even book you onto a ferry to your Paradise Island escape. 1-2Go offers various means of transportation to get you to your desired destination anywhere.
Parte pa lang. Ito yung mga ano. Bebe. Bebe. Oh. Marami. Tanga maganda gawin. Okay.
Was running too fast.
Di, nag-imis. Ako may gamana.
There's only young Master Fun here.
Treat my friend now. Hurry.
Sorry, I'll get on it right away.
Who the hell are you? Didn't the chief physician tell you? New treatment for this woman.
Diyan Jollibee.
Got a death wish or something?
Diyan yung Jollibee ni. Whistling. Diyan
I just called him a bastard today.
Diyan.
Let me tell you, I'm Fong Group's general manager. Fong Fan.
Yan, nasa tapat tayo ng
I'm
Robinson.
genuinely happy for you.
So, nandito tayo sa
Could you do
kabila.
an old friend a favor?
Nasa
Please spare us. Don't
parking
take us
lot
out of the
ng
phone.
Jollibee. Kumakain si Wesley.
Fonzie is
Oo.
young and naive. It's all my
Jollibee?
fault. I'll teach him a lesson.
Wow, nabisinin din ako ah. Nay, nabatid-batid
Now
lang.
look what you've done.
Kadaklaw
You
na.
realize your mistake?
Batid-batid
I
lang.
did. I know I was wrong.
Ni Kuya oh.
You check.
Kuya.
I shouldn't have been ungrateful. I
Ah,
shouldn't
anong
have stopped
kinakain
that
mo?
doctor from helping your girlfriend. You
Ay,
treated me like a
Jollibee
brother
ka,
for
no?
years, and I treated you like dirt.
So
I'm a
yan, dito
terrible
kami sa
person.
loob ng sasakyan kumakain. Nabutan kami ng
I'm begging you. After
Anong
all
oras
these
na?
years, could you let me go?
sakto
Let me
12
go.
o'clock ng tanghali. Ayan oh.
I've already given you 2
Nagutom na yung mga
You're
chikiting.
climbing steps on
Ha?
more people and worship the
Kita
higher
magtara eh.
one. With any money or power, you think the world belongs to
Hanpay lang
you.
anak ko.
This.
What I?
Everyone sees clearly what kind of person you are.
That's not
Wow.
the father's fault. Just kicking you out of Fong Group isn't enough.
Ano Wesley?
Secretary Tong, stop all their
Yummy?
practices. You and your father should stay home and reflect.
Okay, kain muna tayo
It's
guys.
over.
Yan oh.
Nothing left.
Wala tayong
It's over.
plato. Kaya dito na lang
I'm sorry,
tayo.
You little brat.
Sana.
Do you realize the huge mistake you've made? The trouble you've caused?
And
This
meron
is the
naman
price of
siyang
doing that.
lagayan, yung rice. Diyan na lang yung plato namin. Tapos yung baon namin. May Tupperware. Ayan oh.
I've let our family down.
Tupperware. Di ba? Wow. Okay.
You still dare to call me? Today, if I hadn't taken you to the clinic, I wouldn't have.
Tara, kain muna tayo.